Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are all well and fine. Guys, first of all, I would like to introduce you to my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, you can see hundreds of new and trendy haircuts, short haircuts, pixie haircuts, new haircuts, hair dye coloring ideas. You can see hundreds of beautiful and stylish haircuts for all face, round face, square face, and you can know trendy haircuts in my video. Guys, if you are a fashion lover, you want to know latest and trendy haircuts, you you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Through my YouTube channel, you can popular haircuts in my video. You can see haircuts for teenager girls, 30 plus women, 40 plus women, 50 plus women and 60 plus women and older women also. My channel publish video all about these short haircuts. So my videos will be very useful for the ladies. So guys, please watch my video till the end. Today I am going to share with you very pretty, very stylish and demanding short haircuts. These haircuts very popular nowadays. You can take the screenshot of your favorite haircuts in my video and also search type of amazing haircuts. Guys, I hope you like my video. Please hit the like button and give me your opinion in comments section. Your opinion and feedback is very important for me. I always try to bring something very special and new for you. And please share my video your friends and family groups also. I hope you will also like my videos. This video is very useful for the women who always want to look very pretty and amazing and different type of short haircuts. Guys, these all haircuts very pretty and always give a very charming look. You can do such type of haircuts. You can look very pretty in your office, in your parties. We always look styling and very gorgeous. So please guys subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the like button. Please watching my video till the end. If you can see amazing haircuts, please guys subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Guys, these all haircuts very pretty. So please watching my video till the end. Goodbye.